Magandang araw dyan sa Pilipinas. Dobre Rano, Czech Republic. Ang panahon dito ay may araw, pero 2 degrees Celsius. Yung 2 degrees Celsius, sa mga hindi pa nakaranas kung gaano kalamig yan, buksan nyo lang yung refrigerator nyo. Yun na yun. Hindi yung freezer, yung refrigerator. Yun, ganyan kalamig ang 2 degrees Celsius. So yan, may araw pero malamig. Whew. So ngayong araw, ang aking gagawin ay magluluto uli ako ng turong malagkit, kasi requested yun uli ni Hana. Maraming nagsasabi sa inyo na dapat yung turong malagkit ko ay nilagyan ko ng cheese or langka. Tama po yun. Kasi doon sa probinsya namin, yung turong malagkit, may langka o jackfruit. Sabi ko, parang mas masarap yung ube. So pumunta ako kahapon doon sa Pan Asia, sa Asian store. Pero wala talaga akong nakita na langka or yung ube. So naalala ko, nung si Hana ay gumagawa ng apple pie. Sabi ko, tamang-tama. Yung apple, yung ginamit niyang, yung apple sa pie, yun ang gagawin ko. So, yung malagkit, yun ang gagawin ko. Lalagyan ko ng apple or ibang kumpot na prutas. So, tingnan natin yung silar ni Mamingka kung mayroon siyang ibang kumpot doon. Yung kumpot kasi, kanyan parang ginawang jam na prutas. So tingnan natin. Pero sabi ni Hana, meron pa raw apple doon, pero baka may mga choices pa tayong iba. So tingnan natin yung silar ni Mamingka. Ito yung mga kumpot ni Mamingka rito. Ito yung apple kumpot. Ang dami niya talaga ritong kumpot, oh. Sari-sari itong kumpot dito. May cherry. Ito mga cherry to. Ito. May blackberry. Ito ata may blackberry rito. Hindi ko lang alam. Hindi ko kabisado. Dami. Ito. Parang strawberry ata to. Pero kasi nasarapan si Hana sa apple pie. So ang gagamitin na lang natin ngayon ito. Okay. Kumpot, apple. Let's go. Umpisahan na natin saingin itong bigas na malagkit. So bago ko siya sasaingin ay hinugasan ko siya muna ng 2 beses. So ang pagsaing ito, para ding nagsasaing ka ng kanin. Wala siyang kaibahan. Kaya lang, sa halip na tubig, ginamitan ko siya ng gata. So, isang basong malagkit na kanin at isang latang gata. At nilagyan ko rin siya ng 3 tablespoon na sugar para manamis-namis. So, habang niluluto ko siya, ay hinahalo ko siya paminsan-minsan para siguradong luto lahat. Okay na to. So, palalamigin lang natin. Tsaka irarap na natin. At lagyan na natin ng apple. Yung apple na yun, kumpot yun. Talagang ewan ko kung paano sila gumawa ng kumpot dito. Basta maraming nilalagayan si Mamingka na kung sa kumpot, parang asukal. Ewan ko. Pero masarap. Ayos na to. Yan, ganito ako gumawa. Kasi ang iba sa inyo, sabi bakit hindi ko pinakita kung paano ako gumawa noon. So ganito. Pero first time kong gamitin itong apple. Tikman nga natin kung masarap ng apple. Sarap. Sarap. So, ganyan. Okay. Balot. Wrap. Wrap. Okay. Yung gamit ko dito pampadikit, tubig lang, yung malamig na tubig. Yung iba itlog. Tubig okay na. Ayun. See? Unang bitaw. Kung sa turon, nakagawa ko ng turon nang nilagay ko langka. Itong malagkit, dapat ang lagay ko rito is langka din. Kaya lang, wala namang langka na available. Kaya ito na lang. Yan. Yan. Ito marami masyadong ano to? Apple. So, along the way, talagang matututo ka kung paano talaga siya ilagay. Yan. Tubig. Ayos. Okay? So, ganyan lang. So, sa sunod naman, kumakahanap ako ng ube o langka. Yun naman ang ating gagawin. So, ito lang ako gumawa. Tuloy-tuloy ko lang to. Tapusin ko lang to. Okay. So, ito na ang ating turong malagkit with kumpot apple. Kasi itong apple na to, hindi lang to apple, talagang niluto to ni Mamingka. So, medyo sweet din tong apple. Hindi siya yung parang sour. Ilang oras din to ni Mamingka niluto yung apple, ginawang kumpot. So, search nyo lang sa Google kung ano yung kumpot. At sobrang sarap nito mamaya. Parang jackfruit din ang tamis ng apple kumpot. So, pero habang nagluluto ako nito, ini-sprinkle ko ng ng white sugar. So, talagang ma-appreciate ito ni Nahana mamaya at ni Sofia. So, ayan. Okay. So, nagpapainit lang ako ng mantika. Pwede na natin umpisahan to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, bawat side siguro mga 3 to 4 minutes. Sarap yan. Diyan na-excite ako kasi first time kong gamitin itong kumpot na apple. Tapos pag ganito na, nag-sprinkle ako ng white sugar sa bawat. Yan. Hindi ako gumagamit ng brown sugar kasi ayaw ni Hana ang lasa ng brown sugar. Na-experimentuhan ko yan nung gumawa ko ng turon. Brown sugar, hindi niya nagustuhan. Pero inulit ko, ganitong style ko, nag-sprinkle ako ng white sugar. So yun, nagustuhan niya. So, kung tanungin niyo ako kung saan ko natutunan to, sa kahit panlasang Pinoy, nung gumawa siya ng turon, hindi siya gumamit ng brown sugar. Ang ginamit niya yung white sugar. So, ganito yung style niya. So, baliktad. Baliktad rin. Baliktad. Tapos, sprinkle ulit ng white sugar. Yan. So, ganyan lang proseso ko. Tapos niyan, pwede nang kainin, mas masarap kapares ang kape. Okay? First batch. Second batch. Mga hanggang fourth batch to. Ito, isang basong glutinous rice o yung bigas na malagkit. Okay? Isang baso niyan at saka isang basong gata. At saka nung hinalo ko, ilagyan ko ng puting asukal, mga 3 tablespoon. Yan. Okay? Up. So, yung mga sugar natin dyan, ha? Ingat-ingat. Ito yung last batch. Uy! Uy! Last batch to, last batch. Ito. Dito sa lidge. Sa lidge. Yun. Lidge. Ayan. Okay. Yun. Excited na ako sa coffee. Ayun. Tamang-tama. Okay. So, tikman natin kung ano talaga itong lasa ng turong malagkit with apple compote. Yan. Ito. Mainit pa, mainit. Pero okay lang yan, kayang-kaya. Sulit. Sulit, ang sarap. Makukumpare ko siya sa langka. Yung sa amin kasi, pag ginagawa to, langka ang nilalagay. Turong malagkit with langka. Ikumpara ko sa apple compote, mas masarap to. Tapos sigup ng kape. Saan ka pa sa buhay na to? Yeah! Your home. Your home. Hungry? I have something for you. Really delicious.
Yeah, what do you have?
That turong malagkit with apple compote.
It would be something like where is it?
Okay.
Like
Here is it.
it would be like taste like apple pie.
Okay. That is with apple compote.
The paper?
I bought yesterday. I went to Pan Asia.
If I had to rate it 9 out of 10. If I had to rate it 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
But you know what? I was swimming. I was swimming, but I was swimming fast, and all of a sudden I got a cramp in my leg.
Cramp.
Yeah.
This is so dangerous.
And then I started sinking, so I pushed myself up, and I held on, and I went in.
That's so dangerous.
Did you put also rice there?
That is rice, glutinous rice. So usually I put in the Philippines, I put. Hi Milan. Milan, you try. Milan, try. Try. This one.
Jeśli chcete, tak tam můžete.
No, zabude.
No, ale se stane vpravo, to je, tak chcete, no, tak.
Yeah.
Tam také brambory radši.
So you put rice and apple together?
No,
Yeah, I cook rice, the malagkit, the glutinous rice. Like, you cook it like ordinary rice. You know?
Já jsem dal i nahoru a i
No. Only the ingredients is apple compote.
To je moc.
Yeah. Which one you like? The previous one or with apple compote? With apple compote, right? It's really very nice. I really like it.
Yeah, it is delicious.
Yeah. I was looking for ube. You know ube? I think also the best is ube.
I still can't get what ube flavor is. What is it?
You tried it when you eat the halo-halo in the
I
Philippines.
tried it, but I can't get the taste. I don't know what taste is it.
Ube. I don't know what.
Wow. So this is really the best.
Yeah. With apple compote, na.
Better than banana.
Yeah, Datoron. I know Datoron. Yeah.
It almost tastes like McDonald's apple pie.
Really.
For me though, I mean the wrapper, the outside.
If you would, I think if that would be fresh and crispy, it would really.
Yeah, because I cooked this morning. Time now is 7 o'clock in the evening.
Even Sissy love it. She's getting mad.
Yeah, you can give her because there's no really garlic.
But because you put the rice, it's really delicious with rice. But if you're gonna put it just only apple,
I don't think.
fresh,
It tastes like
it
apple
would be
pie.
like an apple pie from
Exactly.
McDonald's.
Really.
But it would be.
So I don't need to buy anymore the apple pie from McDonald's.
Even me, I really like the apple compote. But I was looking for jackfruit. But I couldn't find jackfruit. You don't like jackfruit, right?
I don't know.
You like jackfruit? In Manchester, you remember I made the turun with jackfruit, and mommy didn't like really the jackfruit, and I think you like the jackfruit.
But like a fried jackfruit was, I think, nicer. That would be nice. I think I didn't try.
No, it's a fresh one, and then you just put it in the with glutinous rice.
Really delicious.
So now you rate this new one, the with apple compote.
20 out of 10.
I really like it. So
But the reason
maybe give to Milan and Helen so they can try.
The reason I gave it 9 out of 10 because, okay, it's so good, but after you keep chewing, you instead of tasting the sweetness, because all the sweetness goes after you're chewing, you now taste the rice on it.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah,
But it's so
try
good.
also
Still really
without
good.
rice one day.
Huh?
Try only with apple.
But the rice is
With apple compote only?
Yeah, but fresh one. I want a fresh one.
What do you mean fresh? Oh, yeah, I need to cook it
like
when you're about to arrive.
When we're gonna be home and you will make it, so it's gonna be crispy.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm kind of.
Yeah, because I made this around 12 noon after my lunch. Then time after 7 hours. I said like I don't have time if I'm gonna cook it later.
Around the house to afford.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So Hannah will give this to Helen and Milan. Unfortunately, we cannot vlog them. They don't want in the vlog. We understand. So how's your piano?
Yeah, it's fine. Piano's fine. We were supposed to have a test today, but the teacher, he moved it next week. And today we had basketball, junior basketball. You watched, almost all schools in Opava were invited.
And then you lost.
We lost.
Papa lost. Wow.
The juniors
That's sad.
are like 16, 15, 17 years old, because we checked the ages, and the youngest there is 14, 15.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, Sophia, pag Wednesday talaga busy siya. Hindi siya umuwi rito sa tanghali. Gabi na siya umuwi.
So I'm gonna have
Yeah.
You wanna to school?
Sure.
So did you try, Milan?
No, he said, but I gave him 4 pieces to work. He said, give me 4 pieces for work. So I gave it to him. Yeah, so I'm gonna have and Sophia gonna have to work at school.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I still have wrapper there, but I don't have any more coconut cream. So I'm gonna buy coconut cream and finish. That's how you make it. You cook it with coconut cream.
You mean the rice?
Rice, yeah.
But this time make it without rice.
Mommy, can I put this bit?
Did you want this?
Okay. So that's it. Yeah. So good night, everyone.
That's okay, exactly that. Ow, sissy.